How to change Twitter privacy settings. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can change Twitter privacy settings. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have X application, that means Twitter application installed on your device and you are logged in into your account. Now open your X application, then click on the profile icon at the top left corner. Again click on the settings and support and tap on settings and privacy. And with that you will be appear to the settings of your account. Now click on privacy and safety option. Now from here you can change your privacy settings. For example, you can change your audience and tagging. That means by toggling off that option you can make your account private. There are the other options too, like contents you see. You can toggle on or off whether you want to see the sensitive content or not. And here are the other options too, like mute and block, direct message, space, discoverability and contacts, and so on. So from here you can change your privacy settings as you wish. So that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.